Good morning. It's July 29th, 9:31 a.m. Eastern Time. Gonna just try again trading on the Nasdaq, micro Nasdaq. I came up with my own thing to stream the 5-second bars. Something that helps me manage my risk management if I want. That's what the auto one's for. And yeah, see if I can get this working. I also have one that goes against the micro crude oil. I'm going to see if I can get a bot trading against this. It was trading all night against this and it didn't do very well, but it's a work in progress. I feel like it's going to go up. So why did I enter? Because that was a mistake. Well, I was right about the direction. I don't know. Let's see what happens. Okay, I'll try another short order in a minute. Yeah, I was right about the direction. Jeez. Just if I only did the right one. But it's gonna go down. I mean, a lot of people put in long orders early on, and now maybe they want to cash out. That's my bet. I just impulsively enter orders. All right, if this one doesn't work out, I'm gonna just, I don't know. I'll hand it off to the bot, I guess. It doesn't really make money. It just doesn't lose money as fast as I do. It keeps track of the manual losses. That's funny. Like, look at that, you suck. But if these get hit, then we should be good. Oh yeah, and these are, well, it looks like these should be trailing take profits. Um, I don't know. We'll see if they actually are. Yeah, I might take these profits. I do think it's going to probably continue to go down though. But I think the take profits and the stop losses are set too wide for trading on this time frame. But we're profitable for the day. Nothing's changed with this yet. I'm betting up. Yeah, the oh crap. It's gonna keep going down, I guess. Maybe I need to refresh this. Yeah, I don't know exactly what it's doing here. I mean, is it gonna go up? Is it gonna do anything? Or is it just gonna dance around my break-even point? Go big or go home. All right, so the bot should be set up to trade against this one. And I need to do something with the stop with my risk management here because it's for trying to trade on the 5-second time frame. This is too wide. Maybe, I mean, it makes more sense on like the 1 minute time frame, or like it makes a lot of sense on the 5 minute time frame, but that's not what I'm trying to trade on. I'm trying to capture these normal movements. See, like I don't think it's going to go all the way up there, so I'm just going to go ahead and flatten it because I'll take these profits. I should have left it open. Look at that. But hey, I made $300. Betting on. It may want to try to break through this. Give it a go. See what happens. Yeah, these stops are too big. So I think it's going to keep going down a little bit and then it's going to spring back up. Now, I don't think it's going to go all the way back up there, but I do think I can still make a bit. I don't know, like, it's more likely to go back towards the median, I think. God dang it. I'm just a contrarian, I think. God dang it. Fine, I'll just sell then. God damn it. You're kidding me. What is this? You know what? I'm just going to buy. I'm just going to keep buying. Of course it does that. Oh yeah. Thank God. It's just going through all of my stops. Thank God. Oh yeah. Look at that. Oh, look at that. You know what? I'm just going to keep buying because don't know, I got to get one of these to work. I'm 408 in the hole. Like, look at this huge sell off. It's time to come back up to reality a little bit. Nope. Yep. It's going to go through another stop. Because why not? Oh, yeah. I don't care. I'm gonna keep just entering long orders till it goes up. I mean, this is kind of personal now. Like it wants to go up. As soon as I start entering short orders, it's gonna go up again. Stop doing that. I don't care how long this takes. It's personal. A lot of volatility today. Yeah, a lot of people are betting short. I guess they probably just saw this point as part of the trend, the larger trend. Let's see this. Oh, oh, that's right. I have something that manages open trades, and it will close it if it thinks it's going to reverse or something. So in that case, I'm gonna bet short. Actually, you know what? We're gonna go all in on this short. I love how it just dances around my break-even point. Let's see what the 1 minute looks like. 5 minute. Ah! Like, just stop that. What's it doing? Ow. Now it's gonna start going down again. Watch. Oh, got stopped out. Look, it's going down now. I don't know. I'm just gonna hand it off to the bot, I guess. Can't turn on the bot. Oh, there we go. It's on cooldown. But like, I had a bunch of short. God, I had a bunch of short orders open, and then I got like barely just stopped out. God damn. Okay, I don't know why my last position just got closed. Um, but I'm feeling a sell. Are you getting my messages? Dude, we gotta get rid of that thing that manages the open trade. That's messing everything up. We gotta let the stop loss get hit. Either that or we just need to not have a stop loss. But I think the thing managing the open trades was right. Yeah, we definitely gotta get rid of that thing that manages the open trades. Maybe not. Maybe it was right. Why? Just why? It keeps wanting to go up. Like sometimes I think it knows where my break even point is and it just dances around that just to screw with my head. That's what it feels like. I'm gonna flatten while it's in the green. I don't care. That was stupid. Like, what's it even doing right now? This bot isn't doing shit. I'll take that. And again, like, does this one have a stop loss? Oh yeah, it's way up there. Looks like Claude closed my orders. Well, hold on a second. Did my take profit get hit? It might have. I'm gonna have to replay that and see. I think it did though. So just forever holding until it hits your take profit, that seems like the dumbest strategy. It only takes one time for it not to work. But I guess everything else is optimized around. So the stop loss should be set at an invalidation point, I guess. Which is why the distance between the stop loss and break even is greater than that between the take profit and break even. But like the higher win rate is making me feel better. I'll tell you what, this higher win rate's making me feel better. Well, we're climbing out of this hole. Yep, there we go. It's gonna stop me out. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's gonna. Oh, there we go. Oh, thank God it stopped me out. It's like it's frustrating. Now it goes down. Look at that. I was worried it wasn't gonna stop me out. Okay, so this next take profit gets hit, we're gonna be profitable. Okay, so we're profitable for the day. I don't know if I found a winning strategy or not, but we're profitable today. No, yeah, I don't think that made any money. Ooh, whoa, whoa. I don't know if this is a winning strategy or just dumb luck. Yeah, I don't know if this is dumb luck or not, but right now I'm able to just be a monkey on a keyboard. Like right now I'm basically just a monkey on a keyboard. And at least for the past hour, it's been working. So basically what's going on here is each one of my orders, so like it's the historical 5 second time frame data has been trained on a transformer to get like train some forecast model. And as things go, it's forecasting out like a minute or two ahead where the price is likely to go, and it adjusts the take profit accordingly. But it fixes the stop point, like the stop point is set at some invalidation mark that like from like the 15-minute time frame or something like that. So it thinks it's pretty optimistic about the take profit, it looks like. At least it was, but it keeps putting it just out of reach, and I don't think that's the right idea to do. Ow, it's just dropping. There's a lot of downward momentum right now. Well, I think that's going to be about it for me today. I'm going to count my lucky stars that I was profitable today. Because at one point I was over $1,000 in the hole. Ended up modifying the risk management quite a bit. And it's still a little buggy. Like that last order you saw, the stop loss was placed way too far up. I mean, it's kind of seeming like my strategy is evolving into betting on noise hitting my take profit and then writing any winners that emerge from that, and then putting my stop loss, a catastrophic stop loss, at a point where that is not noise. Strategy just seems to be place a catastrophic stop loss that's well outside of noise, and then bet on your take profit being hit by noise. Now, with that, you have to have a high win rate, which might be possible, but the Nasdaq is really just dropping today. That kind of surprises me. That's kind of surprising. Look at that. Since noon, just tanked. It's still tanking. How far can it drop? This is only, but yeah. But anyways, today we were profitable. Um, my crude oil bot didn't do anything. I got to look into what's going on there. It's just perpetually watching. But I guess it's been pretty flat today, so there's no trends to take advantage of. But I don't know if I can consistently be profitable with doing this. I mean, still have a couple more changes to make, but we'll see if this is a winning strategy. But yeah, that's all I got for today. Thanks for watching.